We gather today to wish our graduates well as they embark on new beginnings and on new journeys. All of you have successfully navigated the rigors of higher education and have emerged stronger and wiser and better equipped to tackle the complex issues of our world. I want you to leave here today filled with pride for all you have done, and I want you to leave excited for all that the future holds.
Have the courage to follow your own path and the faith that you will eventually arrive at the right destination. You should decide what success means for you. While others will try to do it for you, it is your voice that should matter the most.
Don't let anyone put you in a box and dictate who, what, or where you are supposed to be. Follow your dreams and desires in spite of what others think. And as long as you are secure and comfortable with your own decisions, do it.
I encourage everyone not to waste this achievement that we all have accomplished and worked so hard for. Go far and reach your dreams. Share your gratitude with others and live your best life. Nothing is unachievable if you believe that yes, you can.